Hi there, students. Downright, or one word, downright. This means complete, total, absolute. We use it as emphasis, and we use it particularly for something bad. So he's talking downright nonsense, okay? Total nonsense. We're using downright to add emphasis to what nonsense it is, how stupid it is. Notice we can use downright both as an adjective and an adverb. So that is a downright lie. Okay, here it's an adjective describing lie, a noun. He was downright unpleasant to me. Here, downright is acting as an adverb describing unpleasant. So we're using downright to emphasize a nasty characteristic, something that we don't like. So the prices that they charge are downright robbery. So they are stealing from you because the prices are so high. Notice as well, you can use downright to mean to be very direct, to criticize very directly, to be candid. So to say exactly what you think, despite the fact that it's going to hurt the person you're explaining this to. To be blunt, to tell someone the unpleasant truth. So he was very downright in his criticism. You could use it to describe a person. He's a very downright guy. He says what he thinks, and there are no complications. But that's much more unusual. We most normally use downright as an adjective or an adverb to emphasize something that is bad, unpleasant, meaning thoroughly, without qualification. This guy is downright dishonest. You can actually also downrightedly, you could use as an adverb, but it's not necessarily necessary to add the ly. The conditions for this contract are downright unfair. They're completely unfair. He makes a downright nuisance. It causes problems. He makes a downright nuisance of himself while he's about. Notice this word downright, it literally means pointing straight down, so vertical. And I think you could possibly use this word in architecture, but we'll leave that. So downright meaning very direct in your criticism of what you say, or more commonly, total, complete, utter, absolute, thoroughly, without qualification. Yeah? So it was downright incomprehensible. The explanation he gave was downright impossible to understand. So, next question, formality. I would say this is neutral, maybe slightly informal. I certainly wouldn't use it for a formal piece of writing. If you're writing something that's neutral, maybe you could use it. It certainly sounds best when speaking. I would recommend using this word downright in the speaking parts of your exams. Okay? So, downright, emphasis, is an adverb or an adjective, emphasizing a bad characteristic or quality. Downright rubbish. It's downright robbery. What he said is downright nonsense. This is downright unfair. It was a downright lie. Okay? Just adding emphasis to it. And remember, it's more on the informal side, and I would recommend it's something you say more than something you write. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Downright.